How to win Temu games without sharing. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Temu games often require social interaction or sharing to win. However, there might be a couple of strategies that you can try to maximize your chances without sharing. However, none of these steps actually guarantee you to win Temu games. So firstly is about completing the daily missions. Many Temu games offer daily missions or tasks that helps to rewards or prizes. Completing this can help you progress without relying on social interaction. You can participate in solo challenges. Some games have solo challenges or modes that allow you to complete individually. If you win, you can earn some of the rewards. And what about a free Temu game? Be mindful of time limits whenever you are playing a Temu game. Efficiently using your time can help you complete challenges without needing to rely on others. You can learn the game mechanic. By understanding the rules and mechanic of each game will help you play more effectively and increase your chances of winning. While these strategies may not guarantee victory without sharing, they can significantly improve your chances of success in Temu games. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.